Hello guys, watch wizard here. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I'm going to work on this watch. Brand name Farve Luba. It's a old Swiss watch. This watch used to come with their own in-house caliber. Farve Luba 111 has 17 jewels. It is not working, so I will service it. For cleaning I have used petrol, Elma and Rodico putty. Elma is wash cleaning liquid. There are two screws which are holding the dial with the movement. We have to unscrew them to remove the dial. Here I was releasing the main spring through ratchet wheel click. We have to hold the click like this with a tweezer and release the main spring. To remove this movement crown stamp, we have to unscrew this screw and pull the crown stamp out. This is balance upper jewel. It has two parts. One is one is shock absorbing jewel and another is called hole jewel for shock absorber. Before removing the balance pin, make sure we have locked the shock. Now I will remove the pallet cock and pallet fork. This is the pallet cock and this is pallet fork. To remove this movement ratchet wheel screw, we have to rotate the screwdriver in anti-clockwise direction, and to remove the crown wheel we have to rotate the screwdriver in clockwise direction. This is crown wheel, and in center of it there is a ring. Now I will remove the train wheel bridge. Below it there are three wheels: escape wheel, third wheel, and sweep second wheel. Now I will remove the barrel bridge. This is the barrel bridge. Barrel, clutch wheel and winding pinion, lower balance jewel. We have to unlock the shock first to remove the jewel. For removing the cannon pinion, I have used a pin vise. Again, We have to make sure that the shock is locked in its position. This is minute wheel and setting wheel. Now I will remove the keyless. SLS, setting lever spring, setting lever. This is the yoke and this is yoke spring. Center wheel bridge or center wheel cock. I will apply little oil on the mainspring and little oil over here where the arbor will connect with the mainspring. For sweep second, I will apply oil on its lower pinion. I will start training the wheels from third wheel side. The wheels are trained properly now. This movement has a screw for setting lever. Here goes the setting lever screw. I will apply little oil for the barrel too. And some oil over here. For crown wheel, for crown wheel we have to use grease, but I don't have it. So I will only apply little bit oil over there, so it will not spread all over the wheels. Now some oil for third wheel and sweep second wheel. On this side for cannon pinion and third wheel. Now I will do the keyless work. First I will place the setting lever, then clutch wheel, then winding pinion, and on winding pinion I will apply some oil. Please note we have to use grease on keyless work. Yoke spring is loaded. SLS. Keyless work is done. Little bit oil on setting lever. Setting wheel, minute wheel. Now let's put the lower jewel back. We have to apply small amount of oil on shock absorbing jewel. It has two sides. One is flat and one is dome. We have to apply oil on the flat side and then place the whole jewel on it. Now I will put back the balance wheel. Here we can see the balance amplitude is quite good now. My work is done. I hope you guys liked my work. Thanks for watching. And guys, I am cool with all type of comments, be it positive or negative, so I can improve my work quality. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope all of you people will have a good day. Peace.